Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm getting ready to go on a run. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Got up about 6:30. And if you watched my summer rebrand video, I talked about how I'm trying to get back into doing just some quick runs throughout the week, really focusing on a consistent workout routine. So twice a week, I want to do like a 2-ish mile run. I downloaded the Nike Run Club app, which I hear everyone talking about. So we're going to do that. It helps guide me and listen to some music as I go, which is really nice. And then today is a pretty typical Wednesday. I have some work to do, some things to submit, a call with my managers, which is fun. I got to go to the office and ship some orders. And then I also am meeting my parents for like an early dinner, late lunch, because they're in town just for a work thing, just for the afternoon. So that'll be a fun little break in the day. We're going to be trying out these Glamnetic nails, which are like press-ons. First time ever using them, so I'm excited to try that out. But for now, I need to stop stalling and I need to get out on this run. Wish me luck. Ooh, anyone else get literally like a tomato anytime they do cardio? It would always embarrass me. In freshman year, I did like a running class. You have to do like a PE credit, and that was when I was in my running era, right out of high school. And so I did a running class and I would look like this after every class. All right, it's almost 9, it's 8:45. I'm gonna make a smoothie, shower, and then try to get my laptop open at 9 to start work for the day. All right, here are the nails that I'm deciding to use. They sent me so many gorgeous ones. This one's called Checkmate, and I'm excited to try these out. I've done press-on nails before, but I did not like them. They did not last very long. But these ones from Glamnetic are known to like be really, really good and long-lasting. Okay, I have buffed my nails, filed them, pushed back my cuticles, and now I'm getting ready to do this little alcohol pad, which I think is really important actually, because I know my nails actually my nail beds get oily, so, and that's why like anything other than dip never lasts on my nails. And then we're gonna try this out. I'm a little scared, but I'm excited. Okay, we got the little glue. Here we go. Apply it at an angle. I might be able to put a little too much glue. Said to hold down for 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, we just finished. I think some of these I did a little too big, like I should have done smaller ones, but my thumbs and my pinkies, I really like the size on. We'll see how long these last over the next few days. I'm gonna bring some extras with me. I'm going to Pittsburgh over the weekend to see my grandma, and so I'll bring them with me in case I need to switch them out if they come off. I'm really curious to see how these last because, like I said, I have not had luck with press-ons in the past, but these look really cute. Just got to Bonefish Grill. I'm meeting my parents for lunch. I just drove outside of Nashville like 45 minutes because they were looking at something for work out here. So only chains out here, which is fine though, because last time we went to Bonefish Grill, we actually really liked it. So we're gonna grab some lunch. My nails are still looking cute. And then I'll get a coffee and drive back to Nashville. So nice getting to see my parents just for a quick lunch. So sweet. It's really good. Got a Caesar salad with chicken, and now I also have some leftovers for dinner, so I don't have to worry about dinner tonight, which is really nice. But now we've got about 40 minutes to the office, and I'm gonna grab a coffee at Dutch Bros because there's a Dutch Bros out here that's easier to get to than the one in Nashville. So I never get Dutch Bros, but I discovered it like around December, and it's actually so good. I really like the Irish cream one. Like, it's one of their, I think the Kicker it's called. It's like one of their traditional coffees. I'm gonna call my friend Lucy on the way, and then we'll go to the office, do some work, go back home, do some work, hang out with Spruce. And it's just been a really nice, good day. So happy about that. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good.
What can I get started for you?
I'm gonna do a medium iced kicker with soft top, please.
What else can I grab for you?
That'll be it. And do I scan this here?
Yes.
Okay.
$2 off reward if you want to use that.
Okay, I'll use that.
So that is now going to be $3.90 for you.
Okay.
You're all set.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Okay, I was gonna say, I also heard this thing about Dutch Bros that the color straw that you get means something different.
Oh yeah, I have heard that too. I was on the phone with Lucy for like over an hour, so I didn't get to show you guys my Dutch Bros, but it was so good. The kicker with the soft top was so delicious. It's like 5 p.m. This is the state of my office right now, guys. There are so many boxes. I don't even want to film in here just because it's so crazy. There's not only our summer collection in here. These boxes are part summer, part fall, and some other launch that hasn't happened yet. So very exciting, but so it takes up like pretty much the whole office. It's basically just a storage unit now, but we're slowly getting through these. Back home, put on comfy clothes. Like, one thing about me, even though I still have some work to do, we're putting on comfy clothes and sitting on the couch. But I just got a little package in the mail, and I thought I would do a little haul because I have been on a spending spree, guys. I don't know what it is. Who doesn't love retail therapy? Spruce is here too. And also part of my like rebrand for summer, which I've been doing a lot of the stuff in this vlog for that rebrand that I'm working on. If you want to see the whole video, I break down all the things I'm doing this summer to have a little life rebrand. But one of those things was upgrading my wardrobe, and so I've been cleaning out my closet and of course ordering some new things as well. But then I'll show you guys what I got actually from Old Navy, and then I also got some cute dresses from Princess Polly and Urban Outfitters. I cannot remember the last time I did a haul on this YouTube channel, so I think it's time. The main reason I was on Old Navy's website is because, well, one, I've been seeing TikToks of girls showing really cute things from Old Navy, which you wouldn't think, but they had some cute selections, and I needed a golf outfit because this weekend I'm actually going with my family to play a really nice golf course. Like, I have to have a caddy and everything. So I'm a little nervous, but to make me feel better, I was like, I need a cute outfit so I feel good. And I saw this green one on Old Navy's website. This is the skirt. And then this is the top. I need to try it on all together. The top came in earlier this week and I tried it on and it did look good. But now I need to see the set together. It's like a cute little polo, like sleeveless, which I normally wouldn't wear, but I feel like it's so cute for golf vibes. And it's a little bit more like, I have cute like pickleball tennis outfits, but I wanted something a little bit nicer because golf is just like a nicer, more dressed up kind of sport than like tennis. Like, usually your skirt's a little bit longer and stuff. So anyway, I'm excited for this little set. And then I was just browsing Old Navy's website, and I've been needing some like basic tanks. I actually want to try one of these on now too. These were like $6. They were on sale, and they're a thin material, but I think that's fine for summer, and obviously that's fine. They're just cute little ribbed tanks. literally $6. I got this slate gray and then just a white one. Maybe I'll put this on now and see how it looks. This really is what I was going for. This is one of the cropped ones, but they also had longer ones, which maybe I should have also gotten a longer one, but they're so cheap. Grab another. So yeah, just a cute little tank top to have as a basic. And then I also got, they have these cute boxer shorts. So I got a little navy pair and a black pair. And these are just so comfortable to sleep in. These are like for women, like it was in the women's section and everything. And I got these in a medium as well. Just so comfortable to sleep in. So I got a navy pair and a black pair. Again, I think these were like $10. From Urban Outfitters, I've already worn this dress, so it's on a hanger, but isn't this just such a gorgeous summer dress? It has this like this look of pressed flowers and greenery on it, and it just screams like summer in the country, careless vibes. And it's a tube top, a strapless dress, which I've really been liking the style, and I feel like it's really flattering on me because I have like broader shoulders, but I feel like a strapless dress just looks really flattering. So I'll put photos of me wearing this here. This also came in a bunch of other colors and patterns. It also has a slit here. Super cute. I will say it's a little bit see-through. I did have to wear like a strapless bra and biker shorts with this because it is a little see-through, but if you got like a darker color, I think you'd be fine. But really cute. And then from Princess Polly, I also have worn this, but I got this Lorinda dress, which I've been seeing all over in white. And then I saw they had this butter yellow, and I just thought this was so pretty. I ordered it in 2 sizes, a 4 and a 6, because I didn't know which was going to fit me best, and I wanted to wear it to CMA Fest. The 4 ended up fitting me better, which usually I wear a 6 in Princess Polly, so keep that in mind. But it's just the perfect little summer dress, this butter yellow color. It's like has really pretty detailing on like the front part, and then it goes into these pleats. It's not super short either. I feel like sometimes their dresses can be really short, so if you're needing like a cute church dress or something that's like fun to wear to a family event, graduation, or anything like that, I feel like this is such a cute option, and I will definitely be wearing it all summer long. Those are some things that I've gotten recently, and to be honest, I have some stuff in my cart from Abercrombie and Pepper Mayo, I think. So yeah, that is the little haul of things I've been buying recently because your girl has just been having the shopping bug, so send help. To finish out hitting my protein goal today, I'm gonna make some protein yogurts. Nothing new here. It's so good though. I'm gonna do 3/4 cup of yogurt, and then I'm gonna go in with this birthday cake protein powder. When I'm doing the yogurt, I find if I do like a full scoop, it gets a little too thick. And so I'm gonna do like a 1/2 scoop, which is still 10 grams of protein. So this should be about 30 grams total protein yogurt. And it seriously tastes like birthday cake pudding. The key to this is you have to mix it up so much. Like you really just have to keep mixing. It's gonna look like it's too powdery, but I promise, keep mixing. I used to actually make this in high school. Funnily enough, I have loved Greek yogurt for so long, guys. It's always been like my favorite treat, like healthy snack or dessert. And I seriously used to make protein yogurt like freshman year of high school, and I got off of it, but came back to it once I started wanting to up my protein intake. All right, and then to top it off, I'm gonna add some semi-sweet chocolate chips. And it seriously is such a good dessert. Here we go.